Hello and welcome, greetings, tech enthusiasts, and welcome to TechLatest.net free course on BlackArch Linux. Basically, this is free course on BlackArch Linux series by TechLatest.net. Okay, so I'm thrilled to embark on this journey with you. Over the next several weeks, we will delve deep into the realm of cybersecurity and penetration testing using one of the most powerful tool and at our disposal, that is BlackArch Linux. In today's interconnected world, the importance of cybersecurity cannot be overstated. With cyber threats growing more sophisticated by the day, it's essential for us to arm ourselves with the knowledge and skills needed to protect against them. That's where BlackArch Linux comes in. Built on the solid foundation of Arch Linux, BlackArch Linux provides a vast variety of tools and utilities specifically tailored for penetration testing, ethical hacking, and security research. Whether you are a seasoned professional or curious beginner, this course is designed to cater to all the skills level. But here are the best part. This course is completely free, no strings attached. Our goal is to make cybersecurity education accessible to everyone, regardless of background or financial means. So if you are ready to roll up your sleeves and dive headfirst into the world of BlackArch Linux, you have come to the right place. Throughout the course, we will cover everything from the basic installation configuration to advanced penetration techniques. Each lesson will be packed with practical hands-on experience to help reinforce your understanding and build your skills. So whether you are looking to enhance your cybersecurity knowledge, advance your career, or simply satisfy your curiosity, I encourage you to join use this exhilarating adventure into the world of BlackArch Linux. Together, we will explore the depths of this powerful operating system and unlock its potential. So, don't hesitate this opportunity to expand your horizons and become a cybersecurity powerhouse. I can't wait to see you will accomplish together. Until then stay curious, stay passionate, and more importantly, stay safe. So yep, let's start. First, I will show you like what are the things that we are covering in this course. So yep, let's move to our second slide. So in our second lecture, we will basically talking about introduction to BlackArch Linux. Basically the overview, key features, and what are the target audience for BlackArch Linux. Like what is BlackArch Linux, depth overview of BlackArch Linux and key features, a lot of tools we are talking about in second lecture, like we will covering in second lecture. So moving to the next slide. So this is overview of BlackArch Linux, basically UI and all the things. In our third lecture you can see. Then we will cover most important part. It is setup and installation of BlackArch Linux on AWS cloud. Basically launch BlackArch on AWS step-by-step process and guidance. There are a lot of reference for you, configuration options, security consideration, management. Then we will cover setup and installation of BlackArch Linux on GCP cloud. Same here you can see in GCP, and step-by-step guide process for deploying BlackArch on GCP, overview of customizable settings during the installation process, then managing resource efficiently on the GCP for optimal performance, integration with GCP service, exploring how BlackArch Linux can interact with various GCP service. Then we will cover setup and installation of BlackArch Linux on Azure cloud, like basically launch BlackArch on Azure, step-by-step guide for deploying BlackArch on Azure, configuration options, security consideration, resource management, integration with Azure services. Then we will cover comparing BlackArch Linux with Kali and Parados Linux system. So this is one of the most important lecture. Basically, in this lecture, we'll compare BlackArch with the Kali Linux and Parados Linux ecosystem on the basis of comparison, support, and community. Like what is the process and what is BlackArch Linux, what is Kali Linux, what is Parados Linux, which one is better, and which you use, and like what is the community and support from communities of BlackArch, Parados, and other Kali Linux. So next we will cover future and advantages, like what are the various features and advantages of BlackArch Linux on the basis of extensive tools, live USD ISO, cutting edge updates, customization. Then we will cover integrating BlackArch with other tools like penetration testing suites, open source intelligence, workflow automation. Then will cover penetration testing and digital forensic with BlackArch Linux, like what are the various tools in BlackArch Linux for penetration testing, what are the various tools for what are the various tools for digital forensic in BlackArch Linux. Then we will cover vulnerability and web application analysis with BlackArch Linux, basically vulnerability analysis tool, web application analysis tool. And then we will cover password attacks and wireless testing with BlackArch Linux, like what are the various tools for password attacks and wireless testing in BlackArch Linux. Then we will cover reverse engineering and reporting with BlackArch Linux, like what are the various reverse engineering tools and reporting tools are available in the BlackArch Linux. So this is all about the course introduction and overview, like what are the things that we will cover in this course. And apart from this, we will also cover a lot of things like practical sessions, hands-on demos, and other things. Practical lectures, not sessions, hands-on demos, and all the things. So yeah, stay tuned for the lecture 2. And basically, in lecture 2, we'll cover a lot of things about BlackArch Linux with overview, key features, and target audience. So yeah, stay tuned and thank you for watching us. Like we will meet in next video. And don't forget to like, subscribe our channel.